Hey, welcome back everybody. I'm delivering an advanced programming course now using C++. So if you haven't already, go back and check my introductory course using C++ and then you get a head start on continuing with this course, because this course we're going to start off with functions. So you should know everything up to arrays, at least from what I've taught on the previous course. So in this course, we're going to start out with functions. I'm going to teach you the fundamental concepts of functions. We're going to go into more arrays, functions, passing parameters through functions, pass by reference, pass by value, pointers, files, manipulating files, object-oriented constructs in C++, and a lot more. So I hope you join me in this course. I'm going to post about 15-20 lectures, and hopefully you get something out of it. So after this course, you should be ready for data structures. Okay, so I hope to see you there, where we'll start the next lecture, and I'll see you on the next lecture.